So what's up guys, Dipender from DL Specs. So Microsoft's launch of Windows 11 has got up to a rocky start, as the company has had to remove its PC's health check app from their website. And the question is, why did they remove it? Before that, let's talk about what actually was PC health check app. So when Microsoft launched Windows 11 on June 24th, 2021, with it an application that was supposed to tell the users that their computers could run Windows 11 or not was also launched, and the app was PC Health Check app. As Microsoft announced that it would be a free upgrade, so many Windows users checked that their PC or laptop is compatible or not to get the upgrade. Then why did Microsoft remove its PC Health Check Windows 11 upgrade app? It is because it got a lot of negative feedback from users, as the app was giving confusing and incorrect information without no real explanation on why Windows 11 might not run. And in most of the cases, it reported that it would not run on computers that actually meet all the Windows 11 minimum requirements. And in the blog post announcing the decision, Microsoft team admitted saying, "We acknowledge that it was not fully prepared to share the level of details or accuracy you expected from us on why a Windows 10 PC does not meet upgrade requirement." And if we just pop over to the Microsoft website, there in the check for compatibility, there it says, use PC Health Check app to see if your current PC meets the requirement of the Windows 11 for free upgrade, but it says coming soon. And there you can see the minimum requirements, with processor above 1 GHz on 64-bit processor, memory above 4 GB, storage above 64 GB or greater, and many more. Now Microsoft says that they will be pushing the new update of PC Health Check app in autumn or spring according to the region. So we can take that as a good news, and we hope it fixes the problem instead of creating and decreasing the impression of Windows 11. As Windows have a trend of failing after a success, like Windows XP was a great hit, Windows Vista went out to be a great flop. Windows 7 happened to win a lot of users' expectations, whereas Windows 8 flopped badly. Windows 10 then won the hearts of its users. Now the trend says Windows 11 might fail. Will it? Even the app they launched to check the upgrade compatibility failed at the beginning. So what do you think? Will Windows 11 go as per the trend, or it will prove the jinx wrong? What do you say? Leave a comment. Until then, stay productive, and a sub to the channel is highly appreciated. See you in the next one.